STP oil treatment isn't safe. Well, it's time to find out if this myth is actually true. As I'm sure that you already know, winter is already here. 38.8 degrees Fahrenheit, so it's almost down to freezing, and it's still continuing to drop. First off, the claims state that this oil treatment isn't safe because it contains stop leak. Well, and they say it's too thick. STP high mileage oil treatment plus stop leak. Extra protection for vehicles over 75,000 miles, rejuvenates seals and gaskets, helps stop engine leaks, noise, and smoking. Contains zinc anti-wear agent ZDDP. As you notice, it says suitable for all seasons. Scientifically engineered for high mileage vehicles using conventional or synthetic oils. Uses a seal swelling agent to help stop engine oil leaks, noise, and smoking. Helps to reduce oil consumption. High quality base stock carrier of active ingredients to help protect internal engine parts. Viscosity improver. Cushions engine parts to help reduce metal to metal contact. Zinc dialkyl phosphate, ZDDP, anti-wear agent that helps provide a layer of protection for engine parts. 100% satisfaction guaranteed or your money back. Now, check out the instructions. Add 1 bottle to 4 to 5 quarts of oil at or between oil changes. Now, let's see just how well it does pour in the cold. Oh wow, unbelievable, guys. They say for modern engines, it's definitely not safe. And you gotta remember, this is to be mixed with motor oil. Well, is it even safe to use this STP inside of my engine? Because it's more of a modern engine, and it could actually make the oil leaks worse that it claims to help. Why? Because it's really thick, even though it's mixed with oil. But you need to remember one thing. With these modern engines, variable valve timing, guess what? You're going to greatly affect the performance if you change the viscosity. As you'll note, a very high viscosity with this STP. Okay, let's just go ahead and show you guys a quick difference. Here we have the STP. And now we have some oil. As you saw the STP earlier, now look, upside down. So it's pretty obvious, I would say. Please tell others in the NI community if you have used the STP oil treatment. It goes a long way to save others from troubles that you may have experienced or benefits. Now, I'm not hating on this STP product. Whether it stops oil consumption, makes it worse, makes oil leaks worse, that's something for the overall consensus. All of us can give our input and decide. I've conducted many tests and found out a lot of these STP products are the real deal. But always consult with the manufacturer. If you use it properly, then you should be perfectly fine. And don't just go around adding a higher viscosity engine oil thinking this is going to always help the motor oil leaks. In some cases, it actually may be a good option. That's why doing your research goes a long ways. As always, I want to thank you guys for watching Nate's Interactive Auto and giving your kindness with sharing information to help others. Thank you.